Elon Musk's plan to colonize Mars. By 2050, you could be one of the first people to live on Mars. It is possible, and there is one man who is adamant of finding a way out of Earth. Over the last few years, we have seen a dramatic change in our environment. As the planet heats up, there is a global threat to life as we know it. In fact, many futurists believe that we need to look elsewhere in the universe if humanity is to survive past the 21st century. One of the leading scientists in the world, Stephen Hawking, believed that in order to keep humankind alive, we will have to move off Earth. We see this a lot in so many Hollywood movies as the colonization of Mars. Billionaire Elon Musk believes that it can become a reality in the near future. He wants to build a human colony on Mars by 2050. He said the alternative is to become a space-break civilization and multiplanetary species. It does sound far-fetched and super ambitious, but he's been working for this since 2001. Last year, Musk claimed that by 2050 more than 1 million people could reside on Mars. In order to take people safely to the Red Planet, Musk's company SpaceX plans to build 1,000 spaceships over 10 years, which gives 100 spaceships in a year. That means in order to make one spaceship, it will take less than 4 days. But within such a short span of time, will it be possible to send so many spaceships on Mars? Musk believes that in every 25 months there is a brief window of about 30 days during which the orbits of Earth and Mars are aligned. This allows spaceships to launch off from Earth to Mars using very less fuel. Musk plans to use this window of those 30 days to push 1,000 spaceships to Mars and wants to do so every 26 months. According to Musk's calculations, the journey of this spaceship would roughly take about 7 to 9 months. Last December, he stated that this year latest prototype version of his spaceship could be launched. Of course, due to coronavirus, those plans will be pushed a bit. If his designs so become a reality, the spaceships would be by far most technologically advanced and most powerful launch system ever created. He hasn't gone too much into the details, but the maiden ships would ideally contain food, water, building materials and life support systems. Hypothetically, given all the supplies each spaceship could ferry, 100 people, which means about 1 lakh people in total, can be sent to Mars. But what is more interesting than this is that most spaceships have booster parts and added engines, which disengage after launching into orbit. But Musk's design makes those parts completely reusable, which can save a lot of time and money. According to estimates made by SpaceX Starship, will cost just $20 lakh, which is roughly 10 times less than the cheapest spacecraft we have today, including SpaceX's own Falcon 9. According to Musk, Mars could be a sustainable planet for the future of human life and can give us a good life there and create more jobs. But is it really possible? Can there really be a future where humans live on Mars? Mars is currently inhospitable for human beings. So apart from building spaceships to reach there, it is equally important to figure out a breathable atmosphere on Mars in order to stay alive. And there is still a lot of work with this regard. Not to mention, most of its water is trapped in subsurface ice deposits. But there is still hope. According to a 2016 report by NASA, stated that there are usable resources on Mars that could help sustain life. The pictures and information sent by India's Mangalyaan-1 also confirms the same. The Mars rover is also currently sending back useful information that SpaceX could use to calculate problems and solutions. Now, while there have been delays, failed test runs and even rocket explosions, but these are small obstacles for a big ambition. While a lot of people believe that SpaceX's timeline seems too ambitious, there are many who are still hopeful. This still seems like a sci-fi dream, but it wasn't too long ago that airplanes, rockets, and landing on the moon all seemed like a science fiction. So who knows, maybe in the future, instead of Goa, you will be planning trips with your friends to Mars. Make sure to like and comment on this video if you found it interesting. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.